Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another day in the life of a gypsy housewife. I hope you enjoy. So on this blessed morning, I am enjoying a bowl of pumpkin spice cereal. Seriously though, if you're not eating a box of clearance pumpkin spice life cereal, are you even really living your best life? I'm enjoying this cereal with a little bit of lactose-free milk, and it's delicious. So normally when I start my cleaning routine of the day, I actually like to start by making my bed, but I was filming this on a weekend and my husband was home, so I did things a little differently on this day. This time I started a load of laundry before anything else. Obviously, because you see me doing that right now. So now moving on to the kitchen, I'm just wiping my countertops off real quick, and I'm also FaceTiming my niece at the same time, and she's watching me clean as she colors her little coloring page. So now, I know a lot of you are going to be shocked, but I am using white vinegar to clean. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm just cleaning off my stainless steel. I don't do this all the time, but this method actually works really good to keep them streaks at the minimum. So all you do is get a little paper towel, make sure it's a little damp, put a little white vinegar on it, wipe it side to side like that, and then go back over it with a dry towel, or I'm using a microfiber towel, and then just dry it. It doesn't do like the most perfect job, but it does a way better job than anything else I've ever used. So this technique works pretty good on stainless steel. As you can see here, the top was done and the bottom was not. I end up doing the bottom part, but if you watch really well by the door handle, I kind of missed that whole section. It looks awful. But anyways, so yeah, that's what I'm doing here. So I just wanted to show you guys, these are the little pads that I use for my Swiffer. It's the Swiffer Wet Jet, but I just use my own solution instead of buying the stuff that you attach onto the mop thingy. So yeah, that is what I mop my floors with, and then I just change them and put a new one on when I feel like it. So now I'm about to eat again. Look at me dancing for the bacon and eggs, baby. So I'm just gonna make some little scrambled eggs here and some bacon. I wanted to show you guys this part coming up. I'll add a little water to my eggs and then mix them. It makes your eggs fluffier. You should try it because it works. Yeah, so I'm just adding salt and pepper and a little garlic powder to my eggs, and then I also add a little garlic powder to my bacon. So my husband likes cheese in his eggs, and I ran out of every other cheese, so I just ended up using a string cheese. Just thought I would let y'all know what I was doing right there. Girl, these scrambled eggs and bacon is so good. And I also had a side of toast with Marmite. This was just delicious. So now I am just cleaning the kitchen again for the second time today. No big deal, you know, it's all good. Got to clean up my mess after cooking the bacon and eggs because you know that grease was flopping all over. My husband is actually filming me right here. I just wanted to add that in and let you guys know that he's filming me as I put the clothes into the dryer and add in my little snuggle dryer sheets. This next clip is for all of you who ask me if I do my makeup every day and get fixed up every day. This is the look I was rocking for this day, girl. This is like, no. This is a bird's nest on my head, yesterday's makeup, and my glasses. Look at me though, I look so good. So we're just about to go run some errands. I've made some sales online, so I gotta go send some packages off. And now I'm putting on my husband's socks. I don't know why I left this in here. I guess I just wanted y'all to know that I like to steal my husband's socks. Showing off my bird's nest real quick. I thought y'all would like that. We're also going to be running into Walmart because I got to pick up a few things, and I wanted to show you guys my super cute Selena shopping bag. How adorable is this? Isn't Selena amazing? Check out my little Selena dance right here. Yes, queen. So this is what it's looking like outside. Hey girl. And this is my husband. He's walking through the hallway. We're going to stop and check the mail before we head on the road. had to make a little stop at the PetSmart because I had to get some cat food, and we were just checking out the toys and the little kitties they have for adoption. This one was so cute. I wanted to steal it right out of that little thing it was sitting in. So we buy Rachel Ray cat food. The cats seem to really like it, so that's what we stick with. And yeah. So this is the frozen fruit that I like to use in my smoothie. I picked me up some of the Keep It Green because it's my favorite. It's at Walmart, y'all. And this is Alan eating his McDonald's. Yum, yum, yum. So this is the kitty litter that we buy the cats. If you don't use this, trust me, you need to. It's like the best kitty litter ever. We get it at Walmart and it's amazing, okay? And this is the cat food that we picked out. We tried a different flavor this time and the girls seem to really like it, so it's all good. So I actually didn't do a lot of cleaning today because I don't like to clean when my husband's home. And so yeah, this is me just making the bed so we can get back in the bed, but I can't stand going to bed in a messy bed, so I made the bed to go to bed. If that makes any sense. Sounded like I just repeated myself, but hopefully you understand what I'm trying to say. I like a bed nice and neat, and like if there's any wrinkles and I can feel the blankets on my feet all weird and stuff, it makes me a little crazy, so I like to straighten the bed up before I get in it. I was just about to get my clothes out of the dryer to fold them until I realized that they weren't done, so I decided to take a break and play with my Kiki girl. And then my clothes ended up being done a little while later, so now you see me folding a load of clothes. So I hadn't showered today, or in this video I mean. I hadn't showered all day, so I'm about to take a bath, but I wanted to put a little Teamy Tea detox mask on my face first. You guys should try this mask. It's amazing. I have a full review on it you can check out. And I'm going to be using Bath & Body Works 1000 Wishes because it smells amazing and I love Bath & Body Works. I even used it to put some bubbles in my bath. Their body wash makes the most amazing bubbles. You guys should try it. And I always have an audience in there. That's Kiki. She likes to sit with me all the time. And now I'm just doing a nightly skincare routine before I go to bed. As you can see on my forehead, it's red. I left the mask on way too long because I wasn't paying attention, so it made my face red. But I'm just putting on a little eye cream from Clarins, and then I'm going in with some Simply Earth almond oil, and then I'm also going to be using my new favorite lotion. It's an anti-aging lotion, and it's from Just Nutritive. All of their products are all natural, and they are amazing. I've used so many of Just Nutritive's products and I love every one of them. I highly suggest them. I will link it down in the description if you want to check out their website and see what all they have to offer. Their products are just thebomb.com. So this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed my day in the life, and I'm gonna go to bed now and relax and all that fun stuff. But make sure you subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave me some comments down below because I would love to hear from you. And you know, I always try to reply to my comments. So yeah, leave me some lovin's down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.